for the most part, I've cut out the shape of my face. I'm gonna go off camera and re-curl the bang with my wand curler, and then I'm gonna shape up my bang a little bit more. I don't wanna cut too much. I want a little bit more definition with my bang, like how it is in the fluffed out area, you know? I think I figured out why I'm beefing with this wig. Like, it's cute, but then I'm like, and I think it's because it's bushy. Like, all of the, see, I like this better. Man, I did all those wine curls just to brush them out. But yeah, I need a little bit of more definition. Like, I like it big, but I'm not a fan of like huge, humongous hair, and it's giving huge, humongous hair, and I don't do it. So what I'm gonna do is go in and just touch up a few areas where it's just giving like straight bush, and we're gonna go from there, you know. And I'm just wrapping, you know. I'm just grabbing random pieces and just wrapping. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Ooh. Hey y'all, I've been kind of silent since it has been 2023. All right, happy new year to all of my subscribers. And if you aren't a subscriber and you're watching this video, happy new year. And for the new year, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and hit that big red button down below. I just took a little breather after the holidays. I just been like kind of isolated, doing my own thing, getting my mindset right, and you know, just tapping into me. I'm not really into social media as much as I used to be. I used to like being on social media for leisure, you know, like to scroll and stuff. And of course I loved a good laugh or anything, but I don't know. I spent 6 months off the internet last year. I took 3 months off, and then like a couple months later, I took 3 months off the internet again, you know, just because of life be lifing. But this is my job and I love what I do. So when it's time to work, I show up, okay? But for leisure and just to be scrolling all day, commenting and stuff. And of course, I still support people. People that know I support them, they never question it. It's not determined by likes. It's not determined by comments or things like that, you know. But when I am on, I make sure, you know, I tap in and I go support my peeps, you know. Support is free. Like, support your people, okay? In 2023, make it a mission to support your people, because people love to sit around and complain like, oh, nobody supports me, nobody does this, nobody does that. But what are you putting back out? Are you supporting people? Genuinely. Not no fake half-ass support. I'm talking about like real support. Before I get into my extra read all about it, I want to say thank you to Ali Pearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their website. All right, this is my first time working with Ali Pearl, so shout out to them for sponsoring today's video and wanting to work with you, girl. I've always wanted to work with them. I've seen other wig content creators work with them, and they have some decent wigs, and I was really excited to work with them. And this is the wig that they sent me. Of course, when I received it, it didn't look like this, but we're gonna talk about it. All right, so the wig that I'm wearing today is the blonde shag bob wig. It is in 16 inches, and just remember, this is a curly unit, so once you stretch the curl, it will be 16 inches. It's also a 4x4 closure. That way, if you want to do like a part or something, you can. I did leave a little bit of lace on there. That way, if I want to go in and tweeze the hairline a little bit, I can tack it with my push pins. That's it. That's all. So yes, y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm gonna drop those cons on you, then I'm gonna tell you the pros, and then we're gonna wrap this video on up because I gotta go take my thumbnail, okay? Because I look cute. Honestly, when it comes to this wig, y'all, I don't have any cons. The only thing I want to make you aware of is that when you wash the unit, it will no longer be those beautiful curls that it originally came in. And when I washed it, I was just like, no. So just be mindful, once you wash your unit, you will have like the water wave curly state. That's its natural state. But yeah, it's still a beautiful wig all in all. All right, y'all, so let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is that it's a closure wig and you get to wear different styles. You can wear the bang look, okay? Or you can push it back and, you know, just do your own thing. When it comes to these wigs, y'all, you can finesse them, play around with them, and style them to your liking. Now, I'm gonna admit I was a little intimidated by this wig. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Y'all know I keep it real with y'all. Because once I washed it and the curls, you know, went into its natural state, I was just like, what am I gonna do with it? So I did go in and take my, you know, tiny wand curler, and I just wand curled it. And y'all saw I did all those curls just to brush them out and put them back in, because I wasn't really feeling like the big bushy look. It was like really a lot of hair, and I didn't want to cut up this entire unit. So, you know what I'm saying? I just shaped it, finessed it, slayed it, period. All right, so the hair texture is very beautiful. As you can see, it does have this ombre color in it, and the hair is not dry or anything like that. I didn't receive a whole lot of shedding when I did wash this unit. I do not run my hands through my curly unit, so I can't tell you it doesn't tangle, it doesn't do all of that. It's a curly unit, it's gonna tangle, okay? It's gonna tangle, you know, but every little thing is gonna be all right. Yeah, so it's not a whole lot for me to say about this wig, y'all. All in all, I think this is very beautiful, versatile wig, and you can do a lot of looks with it, baby. You can do a whole lot of looks with it. I'm really feeling this wand curl look, and when the curls get older, the hair is gonna get bigger, so it's just gonna look better and better and better. Cause I'm gonna be 35 next month, because it's my birthday. All right, it's already my birthday. I don't care that it's January. My birthday is February 5th, and it's already my birthday. Okay, I'll be 35 years young, and I'm just getting finer and finer with time. Like, are you what you mammy? But definitely drop a comment down below and let me know, what was your favorite look? Did you like it when it first came out the package? Did you like it once I showed you guys the hair freshly shampooed and air dried? Or do you like the wand curls? I'm here for the wand curls. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all, because there's not a whole lot for me to say. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Ali Pearl Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below. You know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. I truly, truly, truly do. Thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video.